If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra by using another device, then it is totally possible to do so. And on your S25 Ultra, you don't have to do anything in order to make it work. If you have a wireless charger, if this is your other device, then all you need to do is simply place the S25 Ultra on top of the wireless charger. As long as the charger is in the middle, well, I mean the phone is in the middle of the charger, like so, then you should start charging your S25 Ultra. If the other device is, let's say, a phone, another smartphone or something, and it has the power sharing option, then obviously you need to turn on that power sharing option on another device, and then you need to simply place the S25 Ultra at the top of the other device, most likely at the back of the other device. So essentially, S25 Ultra can be charged by using this back panel over here, this back space here. This is where the power must be placed in order to charge S25 Ultra. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!